Okay, welcome back to this tutorial, and this is a continuance of the if else if, and today we are looking at an assignment. So in this assignment we need you to write a C++ program, that determines someone's grade, a student's C grade, basing on the user input, like that. So you can pause this video and do a couple of statements, maybe write the program, and you can send it me via email, you can paste it in the comment section. So when you're done with this one, then you can let me know, or you can just forward it, or if you can walk around campus, we meet and you had this directed me on a paper or via WhatsApp. So I'm here to accept all that. Then for those who want to send this code via WhatsApp, then you can use I'm in Uganda and it's 782-978-543. Yeah, so this is my WhatsApp number. You can send your assignment via this number. Okay, so the assignment is simple. Write a C++ program that determines the student's grade basing on the user input, and here is how it is done. So 80 to 100, someone will have scored A plus. Okay, then 75 to 80, someone will have scored A. Okay, then from 70 to 75, someone will have scored a B plus. Okay, it's a single plus. Then from 65 to 70, someone has a B. Then from 60 to 65, this is C. From 55 to 60, this is a D. Then from 50 to 55, this is E. And then from 0 to 49, okay, from 0 to 50, this is an F. Okay, so this is the grading system you have to take in mind. Like, if in this assignment someone types in their marks as 80, then it should return an A. Okay, in fact, if someone types in 80, it is an A, and if someone types in 75, it is an A as well. But someone who types in 81, then this should be A plus plus. Okay, so this is very equivalent, like someone saying this first statement only is the same as someone writing mathematically that 80 is less, so 80 is less or equal to x, and then x is less or equal to 100. Okay, so this statement is the same as this, meaning the first initial value of x must be greater than 80. So in other words, A plus, so let me check this one to A. So A plus begins at 81, not 80. So I'm giving a hint of how to tackle this assignment. So this is very similar to this. So the minimum value is 81, and then the maximum value is 100, because this means 100 is inclusive. Someone can earn up to 100 in a paper. You can maximize everything. So similarly, this one here, similarly, if you paste it here, then it means this 75 is greater or less to 80, like that. So the minimum value of this is so come on, so this one is less if we don't have to have this. Why? Because if we say less or equal to, it means 80 is inclusive, but I want it to begin at 81, so that's why I'm saying 80 is less than A, and A is less or equal to 100, so it means it begins at 81 and ends at 100. Then this one here, I want 75 to be inclusive, such that whenever you square 75, you're in different grade range, like this. So 75 is inclusive of A, so the minimum value must be 75. Then the maximum value must be 80, because here we're saying the minimum value is 81, not 80. Okay, so if you decide 80 to be inclusive, then here don't make 80 to be inclusive. That's the only logic. Okay, then do the same for this one, like this. So we are saying we're commenting this one. So last time we said a double slash means a comment in C++, so that's why I'm commenting this one. So now here we are beginning this one at 70 and it's ending at 75, like this. So do we need 7 to be inclusive? Then secondly, if we made here 75 inclusive, then we don't need to make this one 75 to be inclusive. So the first thing we do here is get rid of the equal signs, meaning our value stops at 74, since this one includes 75 is solved. Okay, then secondly, we need our value to begin at 70, and that's why we have 70 inclusive. So the moment you see equal signs, it means the value at the left is inclusive of A. So if we can write all the values of here, so this A plus, so this A and this B plus, like this. So all the values of B plus is 70, 71, 72, 73, 74 and 70. Yeah, actually it stops on 74. So meaning it stops on 70, less than 75, so it should be less than 75, unless if you declared your values as floats. So 74.9 is inclusive, but if you declare them as integer, then it stops on 74. Okay, so all is like that. You can evaluate it like that and come up with this assignment. We meet in the next lecture.